SK.
The sound that it makes.
Thank you. Yeah, sure.
That's good.
Guys, sit at the back. I'm sitting in the back because I'm filming. So I'm on SK25 AOE, which is another introduction to the route SL3. I think there are only 3 out today, as 4 of them went out earlier and then 1 just got subbed off. So this is the 3 of them, I could guess.
Bromley, Woodmore Road.
What's the PVR for SL3?
So was that?
The PVR for SL3.
PVL
PVR.
or PVR? I think there's 3. Yeah.
No, for SL3.
For the SL3, I don't even know. Probably 10, I guess.
PVR 10.
I'll check on Pandem once I've done the video.
So we are going towards Thanesmead. So it's clean. I wish I had sunroofs. It's probably one of the best electric buses so far.
SL3 to Thanesmead.
And whenever there's an introduction for the electric buses comes in, the iBus always doesn't work. The system doesn't work. It's only the audio that only works. It's just not the system. That's typical, isn't it? Or maybe it takes time to work, but I don't know. And we got a nice fast driver, which is good. We need more fast drivers than slow drivers, because fast drivers are more controllable and they know how to follow up the speed limit, which is good.